Hey, it's me, your liver. I know you don't think about me, nobody does, but I've been working 24/7 for you, filtering toxins, storing your vitamins, processing everything you eat and drink. And honestly, I'm exhausted. You've been eating things that hurt me, and I've been silent about it, until now. Here are 7 signs I've been screaming for help, and the 5 foods that can reverse the damage, starting today. Your liver doesn't have pain receptors, so when something's wrong, it doesn't hurt. Instead, your body sends these signals. If you have 2 or more, pay attention. Number 1, constant fatigue. Your liver stores and releases glucose for energy. When it's struggling, your energy crashes, even after a full night's sleep. Number 2, yellowing of the skin or eyes. This is jaundice. It means your liver can't process old red blood cells anymore, and bilirubin is building up. Number 3, unexplained weight gain, especially around the belly. A fatty liver slows your metabolism. You eat the same, but the scale keeps climbing. Number 4, dark urine and pale stools. Your liver isn't breaking down waste properly. What comes out tells you what's happening inside. Number 5, easy bruising. Your liver produces clotting proteins. When it's damaged, you bruise from the lightest bump. Number 6, swelling in your legs and ankles. Fluid retention happens when your liver can't produce enough albumin, a protein that keeps fluid in your blood vessels. And number 7, brain fog and confusion. Toxins that your liver should be filtering out are circulating to your brain instead. Okay, that was the bad news. Here's the good news. I'm the only organ in your entire body that can fully regenerate, even if 2/3 of me is damaged. But I need the right tools. Here are 5 foods that actually rebuild me. People are shocked by this, but the research is overwhelming. Drinking 2 to 3 cups of black coffee daily reduces your risk of liver fibrosis by up to 40%. Coffee contains chlorogenic acid and cafestol, compounds that lower liver enzymes and reduce inflammation. It even helps prevent fat buildup inside liver cells. No creamer, no sugar, black. Garlic is loaded with sulfur compounds, specifically allicin and selenium, that activate your liver's detox enzymes. These enzymes literally flush out mercury, food additives, and certain pharmaceutical residues. Just 1 to 2 cloves a day, crushed and left to sit for 10 minutes before cooking, that activates the allicin. Fatty liver isn't just about fat, it's about inflammation. And omega-3 fatty acids from salmon, sardines, or mackerel are the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory compounds available. Studies show that people who eat fatty fish twice a week have significantly lower liver fat levels. The EPA and DHA directly reduce the accumulation of triglycerides in your liver. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, arugula, these are loaded with chlorophyll, which binds to heavy metals and environmental toxins, carrying them out of your body. They're also packed with glutathione, your liver's master antioxidant. You can't supplement glutathione effectively, your body has to make it, and leafy greens give it the raw materials. Beets contain betalains, pigments that actively reduce oxidative stress in your liver and stimulate bile flow. Bile is how your liver ships toxins out of your body. Eating beets or drinking fresh beet juice increases your liver's natural detoxification enzymes by up to 30%. It also thins your bile, preventing the formation of gallstones. So here's your daily liver repair plan. Black coffee in the morning, garlic in your lunch, fatty fish twice a week, a big handful of leafy greens every day, and beets a few times a week. I can heal. I can regenerate. But I need you to meet me halfway. If any of these signs sounded familiar, talk to your doctor. A simple blood test can check your liver enzymes. Save this for your next grocery trip, and subscribe for more animated health maps.